Welcome to our video on tips for better sleep. Do you often find yourself tossing and turning at night, struggling to fall asleep? You're not alone. In this video, we'll share 10 tips to help you get the quality sleep you deserve. Tip 1. Create a sleep-conducive environment. Your bedroom should be a comfortable, quiet, and dark environment. Use comfortable bedding and keep the room cool to promote sleep. Tip 2. Establish a consistent sleep routine. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. This helps regulate your body's clock and promotes better sleep. Tip 3. Limit exposure to screens before bed. The blue light emitted from screens can interfere with your body's natural sleep-wake cycle. Turn off electronics at least 30 minutes before bedtime. Tip 4. Avoid caffeine and alcohol before bed. Caffeine and alcohol can disrupt sleep. Avoid consuming these substances at least 4 hours before bedtime. Tip 5. Exercise regularly. Regular physical activity can improve sleep quality and help you fall asleep faster. Just be sure to finish your workout at least 2 to 3 hours before bedtime. Tip 6. Practice relaxation techniques. Relaxation techniques, such as deep breathing and meditation, can help reduce stress and promote relaxation before bed. Tip 7. Avoid large meals before bed. Eating a large meal close to bedtime can make it harder to fall asleep. Eat dinner at least 2 to 3 hours before bedtime. Tip 8. Keep a sleep diary. Keeping track of your sleep patterns can help you identify patterns and make changes to improve your sleep. Tip 9. Invest in a good mattress and pillow. A comfortable mattress and pillow can make a big difference in sleep quality. Tip 10. Consider seeking professional help. If you're still struggling with sleep, consider seeking help from a sleep specialist or therapist. Thanks for watching our video on tips for better sleep. Try implementing these tips to improve your sleep quality and wake up feeling refreshed and energized. Remember, good sleep is essential for a healthy and happy life.